my name is Anna and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate chip cookies. This is my all-time favorite cookies and I have two special guests with me which are going to help me make the cookies. Where are the guests?
Nathan and Naya!
Yes, this is my very handsome nephew and my very beautiful niece, and we're gonna be making cookies, which is their favorite, right? Okay, so let me show you the ingredients real quick of what we're going to need.
Flour, butter, chocolate chips, brown sugar, vanilla extract, and brown eggs.
Okay, so you're also going to need a bit of
Baking powder,
baking soda and salt, and I just have it mixed with the flour already so it's easier. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to mix in the flour, salt, and baking soda. It's already all in the same bowl, but we just have to mix it in. So if Nayita can help me do that. In this big bowl with a hand mixer, I'm going to cream the butter and both type of sugar. Okay, let me just connect this.
Hey guys, I'm making the flour.
Yes. She's wait. Oh, you can put it in. That's fine.
Slowly.
Okay.
First, you slowly pour it in, and then you put it in the
You're
brown
an expert.
sugar.
It's not gonna be clean. Yeah.
You can get messy. And then...
See, but not too messy, because otherwise we're gonna run out of ingredients. We don't want that.
Put that. Oh, and can I scrape the sides with it?
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna be mixing this on medium speed, and make sure your butter is softened. Makes the whole process a lot easier.
Yeah, it makes it very easy to mix.
My mixture is pretty well combined, and we're gonna be adding the eggs one at a time. So
kind of like Play-Doh, right?
So Nathan, can you please add one egg at a time, please?
How do you do that?
No, you just pour it in, but not all of it. Go. Okay, good job, good job. That's it. No, no.
Put some on the counter. Oh, and then you need to break that. On the counter.
That's okay, just be careful.
Then you need to destroy the egg yolk. Then
Yeah.
you need to destroy the egg yolk.
Yeah, we're gonna mix in one egg at a time.
Until it's gone, until you don't see the egg yolk anymore.
Correct. Oh, and before I forget, make sure you start preheating your oven to 375 Fahrenheit.
Right.
So it's gonna be ready
To cook, to bake the cookies.
Okay, add in the other egg.
Now we add in
All of it.
the other egg.
Okay, there you go.
And again, we need to mix it until you can't see the egg yolk.
Yes.
You viewers, you also gotta be careful while you're cooking cookies. Things
Okay.
can get very messy.
Now Naya's gonna add it. No, right here. Right here. We're gonna add the vanilla extract. Add it.
Let's do it.
Good job.
And then you mix the vanilla extract with all the ingredients until you can't see it.
Okay, now we're gonna add our flour a tiny bit at a time. So be careful.
Tiny bit.
About half, and then we're gonna add the other half.
Hey, no eating chocolate chips. And if you're cooking cookies with chocolate chips, don't eat them all. Then you won't have any chocolate chips to make your cookies.
Yes, you should tell yourself that.
And here's one smart idea to use these cookies with. You can use these cookies and make ice cream sandwiches.
Yes, we love doing that. Okay, so our batter, it's pretty much mixed in.
Wait, let me do this.
And now I'm just gonna
Can I scrape
remove.
the sides?
Sure, scrape the sides.
That's how you scrape your
It
sides.
smells good, right?
Yeah, it smells like it's ready to eat already. It smells yummy, delicious.
Okay, so now Naya's gonna put half of the chocolate chips.
Chunks. Naya put some of them.
Okay, we gotta work fast here. Just pour that in.
We're on the time crunch. Stop.
Okay,
I put the other batch.
here.
Can I scrape the sides? And
Okay.
then scatter the chocolate. Can I scatter the chocolate? Can I mix it?
Okay, here, it's too hard. You won't be able to mix it. Can I please help you?
Looks like chocolate chips already.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, but I want to mix.
It's too hard for you to mix.
I still want to mix.
Wait, can you do it after I'm done, please?
Fine.
Okay, thank you. Now that our cookie dough is ready, we're gonna put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes to an hour. So we are back. Our cookie dough was in the fridge for about 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
30 minutes because we couldn't wait any longer. But we're gonna start making the cookies now, and I'm just gonna put them in the middle so they can do it. And we're using a cookie scoop. Yeah, or a small ice cream scoop. Small Naita. Okay, this is what you're gonna do. Wait, this is what you're gonna do.
This is too much.
Like that, you see?
Okay.
Okay, remember you have to put it a few inches apart. Be careful. Do you need help? Do you need help?
have to put it a few inches apart, people. I did it!
Thanks. There you go. Yeah, make sure you put it a few inches apart so when the cookie bakes, it has room to...
Space to move it in. To turn into a balloon.
Yeah, remember, don't put it too close together. No. Un poquito. Ahí.
Safety tip. No safety tip.
They're like small little cookies gonna be. So I'm just here supervising. They took over my job.
Yeah. We're cooking. We're the chefs this time.
Yep.
Instead of Anamari, we're the chefs.
Okay. You guys are doing a great job, let me tell you.
Yeah. Take this part out of the way.
Yeah, you don't want them too big.
Almost done.
I'm gonna put this in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna see when they're starting to get a little golden brown. We're gonna take them out. We're gonna let them rest, and then we're gonna eat them.
Yay! Taste it. And we're back.
We are back, and our cookies are done, and they look yummy.
Let's go show them.
Wait.
Zoom it in so they can see it better.
Okay, so these are what the cookies look like, and they look so yummy. We're gonna share them because they already had a few, way too many cookies. You already eating it?
Yep.
She's a little savage. Okay, wait, I'm gonna get a smaller one because I already had a lot of cookies. They're so good. From 1 to 10. Where'd the cookies?
100.
That's a high score. What about you, Nai?
100 a million.
Oh wow, that's even higher.
I want to see the end.
Okay.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Anamari's channel.
I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and my two little helpers was definitely
Naya!
Yep, that's Naya and Nathan. We'll probably have them back on the channel. What?
Every once in a while.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. It gives me a thumbs up. Can I see a thumbs up?
Yay!
Thumbs up.
No thumbs down.
No thumbs down. Thumbs up and subscribe, and make sure.
Just kidding. Thumbs up.
Okay, make sure you guys comment on the video and let me know, what's your favorite cookie? Mine's are chocolate chip cookies.
Chocolate chip.
What about you, Nai?
Chocolate chip.
Yeah, we all love chocolate chip cookies here, but I want to know your favorite type of cookie.
I want to see one more thing.
Yes.
And we'll be back on Anna's channel every once in a while.
Okay. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.
Hope you enjoyed.
Now you say bye.
Bye.
Now you say bye.
Bye.